7 benefits of working in Saudi Arabia. Kung may balak kang magtrabaho sa Saudi, panoorin mo muna tong video na to para may idea kayo. Number 1, walang income tax sa Saudi. Kung ano ang sahod mo, makukuha mo yun ng malinis. Walang kaltas kahit na ano. Number 2, may housing allowance or company accommodation. Pag medyo maganda ang trabaho mo, nagbibigay sila ng housing allowance. Usually 20% of your basic salary. And pag rank and file employee ka naman, may company accommodation. Fully furnished or kumpleto ang gamit at kahit 24/7 ka pa mag-aircon. Number 3, may transportation allowance or company service. Pag transportation allowance, usually 10% of your basic salary. Pag rank and file employee naman, may company service. To your accommodation and to your workplace, and vice versa. Number 4, may medical insurance na binibigay ang company mo. Mahal ang bayad sa mga hospital pag magpapa-check up ka. So, pag may medical insurance ka, malaking bagay to. And number 5, may free plane ticket ka. Depende yan kung annually or every 2 years. And number 6, 30 days paid vacation. Number 7, ESB or end of service benefits. Pag nakailang taon ka sa company, babayaran nila yon. And may computation.